I bought this $10 part to take my dirt bike from running like this to running like this.
Ooh, that was a hard one.
So whenever I drove really slow, or when I would let the engine come down to idle, it would always bog and load up really bad, and it made it really tough to trail ride or enduro ride. While scrolling looking for very expensive carburetors to hopefully fix my issue, I remembered a comment someone left on a video I had posted of riding my dirt bike at the track. It mentioned a possible bad gasket. I found a jet block gasket kit from JD Jetting that is much more affordable than those carburetors I had been looking at. Now don't get me wrong, when I was on the gas, she still went like the dickens. Now the best way I know to get the carb off is by lifting up on this, and then it releases the airbox from the carb. The part where it failed is right here. It's supposed to be straight across like this, but you can see it bumps up. There, you can see how they're different. And we're good to go. Reassemble it. Alright, so I had it all back together and then I turned the fuel on and it started leaking gas like crazy. I was like, great, but I got it.
Alright guys, we are at the track with the bike. This is the track. Oh, sharp corner. I'm just warming the bike up to get ready to go on the track, and I didn't know this was here. Barely. I don't know if I would have cleared that one if I hadn't fixed the carb out. The corners feel way better. I feel like a new man. I've ever ridden this well. Woo. We're having fun. I don't know. buddy. So towards the end of riding this bike, it started to leak a bunch of oil, which I did not notice right away. I should have, because the clutch was slipping a lot and was not engaging. I was just shifting gears full throttle and I was not accelerating at all, so probably should have stopped riding, but I didn't, so hopefully it's not too bad. Now I got something to do today though. Take it apart and figure out what went wrong. As for the gasket fix, I love that. It had a bunch of power throughout the whole RPM range, and it was way more noticeable in the corners. It was awesome. I loved it, and I recommend it to anybody with a Mikuni TMX38 carburetor.